Ever dreamt of owning a home where the sunsets look like postcards, and the taxes don't haunt you? Welcome to the future of international real estate, where borders don't mean barriers and smart investors are cashing in before the world catches on. Let's be honest, the world isn't getting any cheaper or simpler. But what if I told you that while most people are drowning in high mortgage rates and local property taxes, a quiet group of savvy investors is playing a totally different game? They're not buying homes in overpriced cities. They're buying paradise. And the secret? It's international real estate. We're talking beachfront condos in Thailand for less than the cost of a used car in New York. Cozy villas in Portugal that come with tax incentives. Or mountain retreats in Colombia where your morning coffee tastes better just because you're paying a quarter of the price. Now, this isn't just about luxury or bragging rights. This is about strategy. About diversifying your investments beyond your own borders. Because let's face it, keeping all your eggs in one country's basket? That's 2010 thinking. But what's really changing in 2025? Here's where things get exciting, and maybe a little bit scary if you're not paying attention. Countries that were once closed off to foreign investors are opening up. Immigration rules are being rewritten to attract digital nomads, retirees, and property buyers. And thanks to global inflation, your dollar, if placed smartly, can stretch farther than it has in years. This isn't a trend. It's a shift. And if you blink, you might just miss it. Let's break it down. 1. Remote work has made location irrelevant. You're no longer tied to where you work. If your job is remote, why live in a shoebox apartment in London when you could own a 2-bedroom beachside flat in Belize? Working from your balcony with ocean waves in the background isn't just a fantasy, it's the new office. 2. Real estate in emerging economies is heating up. Places like Georgia, Albania, and the Dominican Republic are becoming property hot zones. Why? Because governments are encouraging foreign buyers with tax breaks, residency programs, and affordable property markets. And the locals? They're welcoming you with open arms. 3. New residency and citizenship perks. Buying property abroad isn't just an investment in real estate, it can be a shortcut to residency or even a second passport. Countries like Portugal, Greece, and Panama are offering golden visa programs that allow you to live, travel, and invest more freely. 4. Cost of living matters, more than ever. Let's be real, what's the point of owning a nice home if you can't afford the groceries? In countries like Vietnam, Ecuador, and Turkey, your monthly expenses could be 60% lower than what you'd spend back home. That's not cutting corners. That's buying freedom. 5. Markets to watch in 2025. Let's talk specifics. Where should you be looking right now? Thailand? The country continues to be an investor's paradise with low-cost beachfront properties, a growing expat community, and one of Southeast Asia's strongest tourism infrastructures. The government is easing foreign ownership restrictions too, making it easier than ever to buy. Mexico, especially coastal areas like Puerto Escondido and Tulum. Not only is the real estate booming, but the rental market is strong, meaning you could turn that vacation home into an Airbnb goldmine. Portugal. The Golden Visa program may be tightening, but it's still one of the most attractive destinations for retirees and investors alike. Affordable properties, incredible food, EU access. Need I say more? Turkey. The currency has taken a dip, but for buyers with dollars or euros, that's an opportunity. You can buy prime real estate in Istanbul for a fraction of what you'd pay in most Western capitals. Colombia, Medellin in particular, is catching attention for its mild climate, beautiful views, and a cost of living that makes your savings feel 10x bigger. But hold on, let's not get too dreamy without talking about 6. The hidden risks. Not everything is sunshine and sea breezes. Buying property abroad comes with real risks, so here's what to watch for. Legal restrictions. Some countries don't allow foreigners to fully own land. Always get local legal advice. Scams and fraud. Just because a deal looks too good to be true, it probably is. Avoid unlicensed agents and always verify titles. Currency fluctuations. Your investment is tied to the local economy, so if their currency tanks, so does your return. Political stability. A country might look great today, but what about next year? Research is everything. But don't let that scare you. Instead, let it prepare you. 7. The long game strategy. Here's the truth. Real wealth in international real estate isn't about flipping. It's about vision. Buy and hold. Live and rent. Create income and build a legacy in a place that brings you joy, peace, and opportunity. Diversifying abroad protects you against economic swings in your home country. It gives you options. If things ever go sideways, you've got somewhere to go. That's not paranoia. That's freedom. 8. Final word. Investing in lifestyle, not just property. At the end of the day, this isn't just about ROI. It's about building a life that feels worth it. Imagine waking up to ocean air, walking to a local cafe, enjoying low-cost healthcare, and watching your investment grow, while living better. That's the future of real estate. And it's already here. If you're serious about escaping the hamster wheel and building a global lifestyle through smart property investments, this channel is your new best friend. Subscribe because we're diving deeper into the best countries, legal hacks, rental income tricks, and hidden gems no one talks about. This video was made for you, yes you, because you're not like everyone else. You're thinking bigger, bolder, and beyond borders. And guess what? That's exactly where your future is waiting.